The Gentu appointment book makes it easy to view, schedule, and manage your patient bookings. To make an appointment for an existing patient, use the calendar to navigate to the desired appointment date. Click into the available appointment time and the appointment window will appear. Begin to type the patient name, date of birth, or mobile number into the search field and select the correct patient from the search results. If you have set up your appointment schedule and appointment types, the location and appointment duration should pre-populate. Enter the appropriate appointment details, including appointment type, duration, and any other notes. Select Save to enter the appointment into the selected time slot. To make an appointment for a new patient, select the time slot and search for the patient. When the search returns no exact match, simply select the Tab key on your keyboard to begin to create the patient. Enter the basic demographic details for the patient, then complete the rest of the appointment details. Select Save to make the appointment and add the new patient to Gentu. Events in Gentu are non-patient appointments. To create a new event, select the time slot and select Event in the appointment window. Enter a title for the event, and if relevant, select a location and an appointment type. Make any required changes to the duration and select Save.